What's up guys, the Lost One Gaming here, and welcome back to Individual Investor Tycoon. So, last episode, we of course still watched TCT fall into relative obscurity, alright? And it has not, well, it started to recover at the end of the last episode, but then it just fell off again. I got a year-end bonus. You performed not bad this year and got the year-end bonus of 1 month. That doesn't really help me that much now, does it? Affected by cotton production reduction. Cotton's prices have risen. This year, global multimedia player shipments increased 42%. 42% increase. Now, geez, Parallel is at $70. Oh my god. Look at some of these stock prices. Hayer's at 7. Hayer's like the one company that just can't really get anywhere. Cinda as well. I think we're gonna try and invest in Cinda again and just see how this goes. I think we're gonna do let's do that. Specifically that. Alright, that's 2,000 shares. And actually no, I want to go ahead and do let's do that. 7,000 shares. Alright, and let's see where this goes. We're at $170,000 and still nothing out of, wait a minute, Cinda's looking good. 24. Dang it, I missed my opportunity there. Frick. Should we keep it a little bit longer? Maybe see where it goes? 15, 21, 19. Dividends of $216. We're still at 19.25. I think I'm going to let it go. Yeah, I'm going to let it go. Cinda 7,000 shares. Let's see. 7,000. That's wrong. What was it? Wait a minute. 70. Okay, the numbers start to confuse me after a while, and I'm like, what the frick am I doing at this point? what exactly is going on? So at $291,000, Parallel is at $73.95, Sunpaper's at $90.70. Like, when do these start to fall again? Do they ever fall? Do they just continue to keep rolling forever? I'm so disappointed right now. TCTnet released a free instant messaging software, ISY3, for the first time, and the ISY to add value-added services. This is what we needed. This is what we needed. Parallel Tech released an MP5. Really? An MP5. What exactly does an MP5 do? Parallel just fell down to $40 though, all of a sudden. This is a good investment, and I think I will take said investment. Alright? I've seen where Parallel can go. Alright? And the only place that it can go, other than right now, is up. Alright, so I think this is a good invest. Okay, maybe it's not. Maybe it's not a good investment. I may have blew my money again. Yeah, 25,000, 26,000, 27. I think we're gonna go maybe long term on Parallel. I mean, because we've seen where it can go. Like it went up to $90, so like this could be really good. 90, 80,000, 89. Come on, 92, 96, 99. Can we get 100? Wait a minute, HP joins the competition in the desktop market. Are they actually like an IPO though? They having an IPO at all? Wait a minute. Goal achieved. Make you excited for the first time by getting a return of $100,000 in your stock market in your stock investment. You decide to go for professional investment training, and I lost $2,000 for that. But I gained market analysis of 1 point. You know what? That sucks. That sucks, but that's the most we've ever made. $103,000 for Parallel. Should we hold it a little bit longer, though? I mean, it's going down, though. 108. Like, this could be really, really big if it goes back up to, like, $90 again. 106. I'm monitoring. 125, 130. 5 news news portals. What the frick do you mean by news portals? I think I'm going to go ahead and... so tempting to do so, but at the same time, maybe I could get 200,000 off this. 180, wait a minute, there it is, 200,000. Alright, now I'm good. Now I'm good. I'm not going to get any greedier than I already am right now. That's $403,000 that we now get back from that. So good. Good. TCTnet is finally making somewhat of a comeback again. Negative 14,000 for what it's worth. Negative 8,400. Wait a minute, we're finally making a profit again, and it's back down. And every time I get excited, yeah, tablet PCs have a great impact on parallel text MP5. So does it mean Parallel's falling again because of the MP5? Because of I'm trying to figure out SSA Group. They're at $17 a share. I seriously want to see HP come in as like an actual IPO, but that's I guess that's not happening. The study pointed out that with the God dang it, I can't read today. With the popularization of online news, the demand for newsprint will decrease by about 8% annually. After several iterations, TCTNet's value-added profit model has been extremely successful, with revenues up 80% from last year. Now, if that's the case, why the frick is TCTNet not making me money? Thank you. And it goes down again. God dang it. I want my money back. Okay? I'm looking forward to a great profit from this, but I'm just not getting it. Every time. 80% like profit, like revenue increase. Come on. That's enough to celebrate quite a lot. Hey, you're investing in new washing machine center. 13,000. I should have sold and now it's going back down again. I missed an opportunity and it sucks. Strongly opposed by old. Why do they do this to me? Like, it's like I'm trying to be patient and wait, and then as soon as I think about it, it's like, nah, you're done for. So Sun Paper should be steadily decreasing over time now, because it was at like 90 something, right? It's down to 76 because of the overall downturn, I guess, in terms of newspaper readers, which is realistic, considering people don't necessarily read newspapers as much anymore. Labor costs have risen in the paper industry, which is also going to take down Sun Paper even more because of the fact that newspapers need paper. Hence, news and paper. Cinda's at 1262. Hayer's at 8. Hayer's falling again. Oh, wow. Sun Paper's down. It was at 47. Jesus, it is seriously taking a toll on them. I just want, the next time I actually see a little bit of profitability for TCTNet, I'm selling. Due to high inflation and business decline, house rent dropped 9%. Are there any houses for sale? No? I guess I have to do the research again, don't I? Let's see. Analysis. Real estate. Let's put a point there. There and there and there. There you go. See what we can find out. If we can find out anything at all. Hopefully I can get a new house so we can get more rent. That way we can increase our cash flow without having to worry about TCTNet, which is now down negative $50,000. Wait a minute. G Group joined the appliance industry competition. Central Bank raised the house loan interest rate to 4%. I want to see another IPO, man. Like, I haven't seen an IPO since Parallel. So, you don't see those often. This year's 6 events have an impact on Rambler, resulting in profit change of 27%. Found 3 houses for sale, requires at least $53,000. Find 1 bonds for sale, requires at least $6,000, the maximum return of 2. If we can find one of those houses, let's see. Other trade. I see TC10 as making a comeback. Let's see. Not owned. There's a 4-plex for sale. Great rental for university staff. I thought I paused this. God dang it. 4-plex offered. 43 days left. $70,000. 118 total. Apartment for sale. Older 12-unit building. Updated plumbing and electrical. Cash flow 1,345. Cash flow here would be 615. Cash flow 461. I have enough to do this, but I could buy both of these, right? But that still wouldn't add up to this one necessarily, would it? I think I just want this one though, because it's university stuff. Why not? Although, are the interest rates and everything the same? I never really pay attention to this. Return on investment is 5.3% for all of these. I'm just gonna get the 4-plex, and I'm gonna also get the other this duplex here as well. Now down to $409,000 from those investments. God dang it, every time I get ready. Alright, it's about freaking time. I'm done. I've had enough. TCT net, I don't care anymore. Give me my $102,000 back. 373 is where they're currently at. Sun Paper is now down to $35. I wonder if it's going to go to zero. Alright, TCT net is going up even more though. Now it's coming back down. Okay, so maybe it wasn't too bad that I sold. It's crashing back down to earth. Parallel's at $40. Hayer sets up a new research and development center. Sophie's still doing pretty well. Higher log prices. Sophie organizes training, worldwide employees. Good for them. Good for them, I must say. They're doing a great job. HTC begins... Wait, what? HTC begins to develop and produce desktop computers. HTC? HTC makes phones in real life, right? Like, they don't make computers. Like, I'm almost certain of that. I'm going to go ahead and invest in Parallel again, see what happens, see where it goes. They just released the MP6 multimedia player. And just that quickly, we just gained 39,000? Or is it frozen? What's happening? There we go, 43,000. Oh, okay, it crashed back down. It was looking good for a good second. Arkansas Pulp Factory of Sun Paper successfully trial production. Alright. Dang it, man. I made a good bit of profit there for a split second, and then it was gone. I'm disappointed. 23,000, 37, 41, 39. You performed well this year and got a year-end bonus of 5 months. Total global desktop PC sale this year increased 1.7%. That's good. And we're lost again. Parallel is just on a... I don't really know what to say about it. It's just kind of up and down, up and down. Global portable multimedia player shipments increased 300%. All right, that's got to take us up. That's got to take us up to the max, you know? It's got to take us there. I'm going to go ahead and get 5,000 shares in Cinda as well. 40,000, 70,000, 104,000, 142, 183, 228, 2. Oh my God, 371, and that's where I stop. I didn't get to the 371, but I'm just gonna sell anyway. $575,000 from that. Oh my goodness, that was big. We might become a millionaire soon. Took us like 20 years, but not too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and sell Cinda as well. I think. Let's do that. 99,000. That's gonna get us a little over $800,000. 885. All right. So we could just sit back and relax for a minute, couldn't we? I mean, at this point, just sit back and relax. 885. Serious brain drain occurs. Good thing I don't have shares in TCT net anymore. Because I was smart and I sold whenever I got my profit back. Not necessarily too smart though. Let's see, are we still moving anywhere? Why is things... There we go. Okay, we were paused. Parallels back up, went back up to 90. Jesus. 98, 106. I could have made even more. 121. My goodness, TCT net's down to 180. Sun Paper's heading back up to 60. Intends to build a waste, what the frick, something, and it just shot up. I was gonna invest. I was gonna invest right then, but I couldn't pause it in time. So by the time I was getting ready to invest, it just freaking took off. I didn't have an opportunity to do or say anything at that matter. I was trying to think maybe I could get back into SSA Group. Microsoft developed instant messaging software MSN. MSN. Intended to compete with the latest popular ISY. Cinda developed a new panoramic photography technology. We're up to 904,000. Sometimes I can't tell whether this game is paused or not. It bothers me. Quality problem has occurred in Hayer's water heater product. That's going to send Hayer down for a little bit. But surprisingly, Hayer hasn't been as low as it's been in the past. I know usually Hayer would drop down to like $5, $4 or $5. And then it'd shoot back up again. But lately it just kind of sticks around with that, I'm just going to go ahead and get 100. It usually sticks around the $7 mark. And let's see where this goes. I'm hoping that it can get back up to like 10, maybe. It may be wishful thinking though. Due to economic downturn, house prices fell. That means it'd be a good time for me to buy another freaking house now, wouldn't it? Sender plans to execute part of layoffs as profit falls. Parallels, MP6 can hardly be sold. Come on, pause real quick. Can hardly be sold because everyone plays the Everyone does not play the tablet computer. That's a freaking lie. That is nowhere near the truth. Okay? Nowhere near the truth. I mean, people do like tablets, but I wouldn't say everybody loves tablets to the point where Parallel would be just down. But then again, this is a video game and I really have no control over any of that, now do I? But if tablet PCs are now the wave, then it would be great to invest in SSA Group, right? This is $470,000 worth of freaking stock. So if this doesn't turn out well, boy, oh boy, am I going to be in trouble. And I am in trouble. I thought this was going to be good news for SSA, considering it was talking about how well tablets were doing. Doesn't really look to be that way, though. Got promoted. You worked well in the company's recent project and was promoted to Vice General Manager of... That sounds like way too much. It sounds way too complicated of a title. Vice General Manager of Business with a 50% raise and 10,000 shares for you. 10,000 shares. Whoa, SSA Group. Whoa there. Whoa, Nelly. 329,000. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Something isn't right. Something isn't right. Wait. No. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, it's $329,000 of profit. That's the most I've ever gotten. This is going to give me $800,000. I invested $400. I pretty much doubled my investment there. Let's go ahead and... I think this is about as high as it's going to go. They gave me all those extra shares, so that was nice. $1.2 million is what we have now. I'm waiting on another child to come in and ruin everything. Because that's probably going to happen. Salary of $9,450 a month. That's freaking amazing. Wish I had that. But I don't. Let's do some more research or analysis. We're going to go ahead and start trying to do real estate again. See what we can get. I'm happy with our $1.2 million, so hopefully we don't blow it all. That's usually my thing, is I haven't really been too aggressive with my investments. Like, I won't invest everything we have into one company or whatever. Rambler invest in production sports shoes. 3 houses for sale requires at least $47,000. 1 bonds for sale requires at least $10,000. I haven't really bothered with bonds at all. I don't really know if it's really even worth it to bother with bonds. Like, Cinder released a new film camera. That was the 23rd. Let's go ahead and see what we can do. I'm going to go ahead and do 300, which would be 30,000 shares. And then I'm going to, Jesus, Sun Paper is $169. Just when I thought it was going to go down to nothing, it freaking shot back up again. Alright, that isn't turning out too well so far. But let's go ahead and see what we can do in terms of houses. 4plex for sale, perfect for young. For young what? Young dogs? Like what? For what? Apartment for sale. 30 units. Only 8 years old, needs landscaping. It's gonna cost me $744,000. Rent for it. I'm pretty sure if you had a 30-unit apartment, you'd be you'd be making way more than $4,000 for rent. Like, you'd be making way more than that. Try doubling that, like, or timesing that by 10. You'd be making like $40,000. Like, right? There's no way you'd only be making that much. But cash flow of $3,800. I mean, that helps, but once again, not gonna be too freaking greedy. I think I'd just rather do the 2-house approach and buy this one and the other one. So we're gonna get this one as well. And there we go. Alright. 18,000, 7,000, 36. Dang it, I was right there. Missed it again. House prices fell 20%, 24, 27, 24, 29, and missed it again. Alright, god dang it. No, negative 29, negative 2, negative 10. Come on, Cinda, I need this to be good. New Research and Development Center, and down we go. Oh boy, this is not good. There we go, it's coming back. Affected by increase in market demand, the price of rubber has risen. Stocks, man, they get on my nerves with how volatile they are. Negative 100,000. Oh no. We might have to go long term on this one too, like TCT net at that one point. Not looking forward to that though at all. At all. Can I speed up even? Oh, I never even realized I could do that. There's an even faster version. Negative 69, negative 49, negative 31, 14, 20. God dang it, every time. All right, 26, 56. All right, I'm good. I'm good. I'm out. You can have it. Take it. Take my money. I want my money back. 300. It's going to get me $481,000. All right, whatever. 1.25. We didn't get too much back from that, but it's probably going to keep going. 16.99. It's it fell back down. It may head back up to 17. Yeah, and it did. Sun Paper's at almost $200. Oh my God, why? Weren't we talking about how bad the paper market was? Like the labor costs and everything, and people not really reading as much papers, and then it's still like at all-time highs. Are they just charging more for the papers? Is that what we're doing? Anyway, I'm gonna end it here, guys, and I will see you in the next one.